Today, I want us to look at another structural drawing. We want to look at column layout. Column layout. So we are going to explain column layout today. So just pay close attention to it. It is not a hard deal, so that whenever you see it, you can be able to read it. Because for you, if you are an engineer, you cannot read plan. You are not an engineer. You are just a ceremonial engineer. So look at it now. This is how a column layout will look like. If you look at this thing very well, you will find out that this is how it will look like, our column layout. This line that is thick, this white line, is showing your wall. This is showing the walls. This point that is hashed is showing the column point. This point now is showing the column point. This point is showing column point, where column will be. Now we'll explain how you can position your column later in our next video, so that you will know how you can position column in a particular structure so that it will carry the building. And so you know the reasons why column are placed in some certain areas and the load it will carry. That is what we are going to discuss in our next video. But now we are going to look at our column layout. This is column layout. So this place is showing us where our column will be, and this red line, is showing us our column layout, and it is also called foundation layout, because this red line is showing the foundation trenches that you're going to dig. So, and this place now, if you look at this particular point that has these boundaries now, you see this right up here saying BT1 and CT1. BT1 means base type 1. Then CT1 means column type 1. The reason why you have to mark it out like this is because all bases are not the same. There are some bases that will have the dimension will be bigger than the other one. There are some bases that will have smaller dimension with other ones. There are some bases that will consider as double footing. So all those ones are types of base. So for you to be able to itemize it out, so that any person that is reading the drawing will know that at this point, this is the type of base we are going to put. At this point, this is the type of column we are going to put. It is in your foundation layout that you bring out all those things. So this is our base type 1. So base type 1, when you go down to when we are doing column detailing, then you'll be able to see what base type 1 is telling you. It is in your detailing that you will see it. But from here, this place only will tell you the dimension at which you are going to have.